Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you to this public service announcement where Lord Reptar himself and the real Damo are going to step upon the stage to give you a public service announcement.
Hope that the radio plays me out more than rates of the ratio of 18-year-olds with a crave for gold, digging, waiting for a Brady and a bank to smoke. Chromosomes manipulate the play system. Microphones to generate the way to spray wisdom. Smoke a zone, listen up before you're made victim to one cold world. I believe we're changing. I believe we're changing.
Listen up, yo. It's Reptar in the building. Know the burner set more or less like the fucking weed burning in your chest. You're looking at the next. Be the one that's stepping and they get their whole vertebrae sticking out their necks. So don't expect nothing. Rappers so stunting, got their hands up in their face like their nose is so running. Buddy, I put it for the world to see. So if you catch me in the city, then it's probably me. These other rappers talking shit, they looking hungry to me. So me, I drop a verse and give these fuckers something to eat. Lord.
One cold world. I believe changing. I believe we're changing. No more misbehaving. No.
Oh shit, you hear that shit, son? That's the motherfucking truth. Repeat after this motherfuckers. Let's get it.
Hey yo, verse to verse, first things first. Ever since day one, we were blessed with a curse. I'm saying verse to verse, first things first. Ever since day one, we were blessed with a curse. Yeah, verse to verse, first things first. Ever since day one, we were blessed with a curse. Yeah, verse to verse, first things first. Ever since day one, we were blessed with a curse.
I think I was too.